What's up guys, it's makeup artist Jakrista. Today I'm going to show you all how I achieved my ladies night look. So continue to watch. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So right now I'm just starting with a fresh face. I'm going in with my Pods moisturizer to moisturize my face. Then shortly after, I like to start with my brows first before I do my makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows. Now, if you need a step-by-step brow tutorial, you can look at my previous post, Easy Breezy Brows. I'm only using a couple of products, very simple, and it's beginner friendly. Now for my eyes, I'm going for a simple but glamorous look. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette. I'm using that brown color. I'm just going to start at the crease and drag it out, blend it out as a transition color. Now you see that I'm packing in that brown into my crease. I just would like to make my crease more defined for my cut crease. Now I'm going into my crease again with that purple from the Juvia's Place palette. Just like I said, just to make that crease more defined for the cut crease. Now to cut my crease, I'm going to use the color Fawn in the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is my favorite concealer to use for everything. So you're just going to start in the crease of your brow, go front and back, drag it down. You want the consistency to be medium. You don't want it too wet, you don't want it too dry. If it is too wet, it's fine. You can just pat it out with a blending brush. You'll see that I do that in the next clip. Using the same palette, the Juvia's Place palette, it's a color that's like turquoise and kind of shimmery. I'm just going to use that. I'm going to put that over my cut crease, and I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm going in with my Naked Heat palette. There's a color, I can't remember the name of the color, but I'll put it in the description box. And I'm just gonna blend that in, kind of make it ombre-ish with the blue, and then you'll see that I'll blend it out with some purple. It's gonna be really pretty. Now you're just going to go in and wipe away all of that eyeshadow fallout that has fell on your face. And then now you're just going to line the top of your eyelid with the e.l.f. liquid liner. I got it from Walmart. It was no more than $1 or $2. Now I'm coming in with my Milk of Magnesium. Yes, I said it, Milk of Magnesium. It works best for oily or combination skin. As you can see, I put it in the my T-zone areas. It dries and you'll just apply your foundation on top of it. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation. L'Oreal True Match foundation is one of the first foundations I've ever used or ever worn. It's the best foundation. Is less than $10. You can get it from Walmart, CVS, drugstore. I use a lot of drugstore products. I don't believe in going out and spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on makeup when you can get the same stuff at a cheaper price. If you would like for me to do a makeup tutorial using only drugstore products, just come in and let me know. Now, I get a lot of questions about where I get my makeup brushes. I actually get my makeup brushes from AliExpress. I've been using the same vendor for about 3 or 4 years, and they're very cheap, $3 to $4. I'll drop it in the description box below. Now you know what I'm going in with. I'm going in with my black Radiance highlighter in the color Beautiful. This is my favorite highlighter, guys. It is less than $5 on blackradiance.com. It's so amazing. Look how I'm shining. Now, believe it or not, this makeup actually lasted the whole night, and I actually wore it to church the next day. I know, shame on me, you're not supposed to go to sleep with makeup on, but I was tired when I got in that night. I didn't feel like taking my makeup off, and I just wore it to church, and everything was still intact. The lashes, the brows, the shadow, the highlight, everything besides the lips were still intact. Now you see I'm creating a nude ombre lip. I use my NYX in the color brown. I think it's the color 12, but it's a brown color. And then I'm using my black Radiance. It's a light brown or something like that. Like I said, I'll drop it in the description box below. Now, sometimes matte lips can make your lips look a little ashy. So I'm just going to go in with some, $1.99 lip gloss just to make it shine a little bit. I've bought this wig back in April. It's from AliExpress.com, vendor HJ Weave Beauty. I've been wearing their hair since high school. I installed it myself. I colored it myself. This is the full frontal wig. It's in the texture body wave, and I straightened it, kind of curled it myself. And this is the best virgin hair ever. The prices are cheap, great customer service. You get the hair in, guess what, 3 days, guys. So go ahead and check them out. AliExpress.com, HJ Weave Beauty. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week. Mwah.